哇哇哇！
哇什么哇？
bao kagin.
This litter tracking mat is really helpful. It traps most of cat litter and reduces tracking around the house. Get yours today for 15% off, link in bio.
So I got this from Shein and it's meant to remove lint and hair. Hello Milo, thank you for being my helper today. I have never done this side, oh my god, because it's always at the wall. But what way should I go? I'll go the worst way first. And I always try and hoover this, clearly not this fucking side. And yeah, the hoover takes out some hair. Holy fuck. Wheel Milo.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
哇什么哇？